What if someone told you that time travel, yes, the ability to leap forward or backward in time, was theoretically invented? Before science fiction made it a cinematic cliché, one man dared to ask the impossible. What if time was not a river flowing in one direction, but a landscape that could be navigated? His name, H.G. Wells, not just spinning tales, but a visionary, part scientist, part philosopher, part rebel. In 1895, with the Time Machine, he turned fantasy into something disturbingly plausible. Back to a world ruled by steam engines and candlelight, where time was fixed, immutable. Wells studied under T.H. Huxley, absorbing theories of evolution, biology, and change. He imagined time as the fourth dimension, a radical reconceptualization. When Einstein formulated his space-time continuum, he confirmed what Wells had guessed. The very first time machine wasn't metal and gears. It was a sentence, a theory, an idea. Critics dismissed him as a dreamer, yet physicists reflected his dimensional approach. He came from a London flat with a battered typewriter. In his later essays, he argued sci-fi must imagine futures before science catches up. Gödel's time loop equations resembled Wells' logic. Time might be flexible, maybe even traversable. Each theory owes something to that moment in 1895. I have invented a machine. Was Wells just imagining the machine? Or remembering it? In the Time Machine, not utopia, but decay. Eloy and Morlocks. Brutal allegory for social collapse. To Wells, the future wasn't fun. It was a warning. He looked at a ticking clock and saw not a limit, but a door. And the most haunting question of all, what if he was right?